How to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Click on three dots at the top right and click on Settings. In here on the left side, scroll down and click on Extensions. You'll find different extensions. If you find any suspicious extension, press on Remove. After you press on Remove at the top, click on Remove again and remove all the extensions that you don't use anymore and that is suspicious. After that, go back to the setting page. In here, click on Reset Settings on the left side. Then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click on Reset Settings. Your history will not be deleted, but reset will happen for cache, cookies, and extensions. Another thing what you can do is open Windows Security. In here, click on Virus and Threat Protection. In here, click on Quick Scan and scan if you have any virus on your device. If you have virus, it will also solve your problem. This is how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.